Assalamu Alaikum students, welcome to Porar table. Today you are going to learn a very important topic in mathematics that is called LCM. First of all, you have to know what is a multiple or what is multiple. In case of multiples are something like this. When you take a number and when you count its times table, the number that comes after counting the times table, those are the multiples. Suppose if we count times table of 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, and so on. So if you take 6, 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, and so on. If you take 7, 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28, and so on. So these are called the multiples of 7, these are called the multiples of 6, these are called the multiples of 2. Now let's talk about common multiples. Common multiple is the number that is common in multiple of 2 or more numbers. Suppose if I take for example 2 and 6, what are the common multiples of 2 and 6? First of all 6, 6, and if we go to the next steps 12 and 12 are the common multiples, and if you take more 14, 16, 18, these are also the common multiples of 2 and 6. So now I guess you have learned what are common multiples. Let's try some another numbers. Suppose we are counting the least common multiple of the LCM of 2, 4 and 8. So what are the multiples of 2? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, and so on. It keeps going. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, and so on. It keeps going. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32, 8 fives are 40. It keeps on going. So what are the multiples? These are the multiples of the separate individual numbers. So what are the common multiples in all of them? 4, no. First of all 8. 8 is the least common multiple as it is the smallest common multiple. After that I think we have 16, 16, 16, 16. This is not the least, this is the only common multiple. After that I think we're gonna have 32, sorry I mean 24, 22, 24. This 24, 24, 24 is the common multiples. So in these common multiples the smallest number is the least common multiple. I hope you get the point. Now let's learn how to find out LCM. How to find out LCM? There are two methods to find out LCM. One of the ways already shown to you. Another method is called the prime number method. In the prime number method way, if you're finding out the LCM, you have to break the numbers in these individuals. Like if you multiply 2, 2, 3, you get 12. If you multiply 2, 2, 2, 2, you get 16. If you multiply 2, 2 and 5, you get 20. You will collect the highest power of each number. Suppose go for 2. 2, you have 2 times 2, you have 4 times 2, you have 2 times. Take out the 4 times 2. Go for 3, you have 3 only one time. And you cannot leave it, you have to take all the numbers. Go for 5, you only 5 for one time. If you multiply all of them, you get the LCM. So 5 threes are 15, 15 twos are 30, 30 twos are 60, 60 twos are 120, 120 twos are 240. 240 is the least number that can be divided by all of them. There is another quick way to find out the LCM. Let's learn that method. We had 12, 16 and 20. Take a number, take a prime number that can divide at least two of them. At least two of them. So as all of them are even number, I will start with 2. 2 6 are 12, 2 8 are 16, 2 10 are 20. As all of them are again even number, I will go with 2. 2 3 are 6, 2 4 are 8, 2 5 are 10. Now if you see, there is no number that can divide at least two of them. 3 is even odd, 5 is also odd. You can divide them, and because they are prime numbers. There is only 4 even number, but you cannot divide one number. You have to take minimum 2 numbers to carry on the method. If you are at a stop point, now multiply the numbers. That will be the LCM of 12, 16 and 20. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 4s are 20, 3 20s are 60, 62 is 120, 122 is 240. So I hope you get my point how to find out the LCM. I hope this video is very helpful for you. If you have enjoyed today's lesson, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my video. And please comment what else do you want to learn about math that will be helpful for you.